What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a link preview in LinkedIn. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in LinkedIn. After that, you will be redirected to the official website of LinkedIn wherein if you are new to LinkedIn, you just simply need to sign up with your email, password and other credentials, and then LinkedIn will ask you some basic questions, answer those questions, and then you will set up your new LinkedIn account. And if you already have a LinkedIn account, you just simply need to click on login and then you will be automatically logged into your LinkedIn account. Now, after coming to the home page, click on start a post. And after that, let's say if you add a link, and after adding the link, you get the preview of that link here. So if you get the preview on the right side, you will see the cross button. Click on that cross button and then the preview will be disappeared. As you can see, this is the preview. I simply click on cross button and then the preview has been disappeared. So this is how you can remove a link preview on LinkedIn. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.